My wife and I bought a new home, and it had a covered patio, partially covered, and it was a mosquito haven. I mean, you couldn't, you go like that, you'd hit, it was terrible. I go, Chuck, get over here, install the system now. And I tell you, you know what? I don't even know what a mosquito looks like anymore. And furthermore, my son-in-law, my daughter, they bought a home, and they got it too. And they have a 3-year-old, and that's not an issue anymore. No more mosquito bites. The people he has working for them are also very conscientious, they're very polite, and they follow instructions very clearly. And hi, I'm Peter Garcia. I own El Meson Restaurant, and I'm a LoCo Mosquito fan.